Philippine Preamble. We, the sovereign Filipino people, implore the aid of our mighty God in order to build a just and humane society, establish a government that shall embody our ideals and aspirations, promote the common good, conserve and develop our prosperity, and the blessings of independence and democracy under the rule of law and a regime of truth, justice, freedom, love, equality, and peace. Do ordain and promulgate this Constitution. Number 2, try again. Try again. I like to do so many things, alone and with my friends. I want to show my skills and talents and learn a lot from my experience. Sometimes I feel so insecure when I don't seem to do things right. But all I do is remember a wise man's words, never give up. So I don't mind trying again, giving myself all the chances to work on tasks where I once failed, hoping next time will bring success. But whether failure or success doesn't matter to me at all. What important is the challenge there's in a rising each time I fall.